In this video, we are going to learn how you can create contact in inbox from Google Sheets. So the idea here is that you have created a Google Sheet where you are maintaining some contact details. Now you want that whenever you add a new data to your Google Sheet, automatically using those details, a new contact should get created into your email marketing platform, that is Inbox. For that, you need to integrate Google Sheets with Inbox. So here your trigger application would be Google Sheets and your action application would be Inbox. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. To integrate Google Sheets with Inbox, first we need to log into pabbly.com. Now here we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you're a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you're going to get free task every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, simply click on sign in. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give it as Google Sheets to Inbox Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want to create contacts in Inbox using Google Sheets. So first let us integrate Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Google Sheets. Select the trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Google Sheets. So I'm just going to copy this webhook URL from here and I'll take you to the Google Sheet that I have already created named Inbox Contacts, where I'm entering the details of the contacts, that is the first name, last name and the email address. So now let us integrate this particular Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. For that, come to extensions, click on add-ons and click on get add-ons. Now it will take us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now you have to install Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system. As you can see that it is already installed on my system, I'm just going to close this window. But remember, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. Remember to refresh your Google Sheet. Now again come to extensions and this time we have to come to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on initial setup. Now here it is asking for the webhook URL. So here we have to paste the webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. And now here it is asking for the trigger column. The trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here you can see I have the data from column A till column C. And I want the data to be captured till column C. So here I am going to give the trigger column as column C. Let's suppose you have the data till column F and you want the data to be captured till column F, then your trigger column will be column F over here. Okay. Now let's click on send test. Test data sent successfully. Okay. And now let's click on submit. Setup configured successfully. Okay. Let's close this window. Again, we have to come to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and this time click on send on event. So why we are selecting this option? Just because next time whenever you're going to add a data to this particular Google Sheet, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details. We don't have to link these details again and again. So make sure you have a tick mark on send on event option over here. Okay. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And when we scroll down, we can see the responses received and all the details of the Google Sheet are captured over here. First name, last name, email address, and along with that, the spreadsheet details are also captured. That is the spreadsheet name, sheet ID, trigger column and other details. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new contact should get created into Inbox. So let's integrate Inbox with Pabbly Connect. So let's choose the application over here as Inbox. Select the action event as add contact to contact list. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now here it is asking for the username and the password. Just enter the details over here, that is your Inbox username and password, and click on save to create a connection. As I have already created a connection, I'll just choose this option, that is select existing connection, and I'll click on save. And now the Inbox account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking for the email address and other details of the contact that needs to be created. So we have already got all these details from our trigger response over here. So now we are going to map these details. Let's scroll down. For mapping, simply click it over here. Come to the response of Google Sheets. And from here, we are going to just map the email address. Now here it is asking for the contact list ID. So here you can see I have created two contact lists. That is my first contact list and Pabbly Connect. I'll just show you that also in my inbox account. Let's move to the contact section. Contact list. And here you can see two list name, Pabbly Connect and my first contact list. And here in this particular list, you can see number of contacts as 0. So now I want all the contacts to be added to this particular list. So I'll be selecting the same list name over here. That is Pabbly Connect. And now here I'll be mapping the first name. That was demo. And let us map the last name. And now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. So here the response is received. It means a new contact is added to your contact list. Let's check it. We have to just refresh our inbox account. And here we can find list name Pabbly Connect, number of contacts as 1. Let's check the contact details. And here we can find demo@pabblytudes.com added over here as a new contact. And here we can find the first name as well as the last name. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Okay. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. So now we have created an integration between Google Sheets and Inbox. So whenever you're going to add a new data to your Google Sheets, automatically a new contact will get created into a specific list in your Inbox account. So let's check this in the real time, whether our integration is actually working fine or not. Let's give the name of the customer or the contact as dummy, last name as customer itself. And let's give the email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Okay, now let us check our inbox account. We have to again refresh it. Okay, and now we can see that a new contact added over here as dummy@pabblytudes.com. And when we open the details, we can find the first name as dummy and last name as customer. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect so that whenever you enter a new details to your Google Sheet, automatically details are captured in Pabbly Connect. And then using those details, we have created a new contact in your specific contact list in your inbox account. And in this way, we have learned that how we can create new contacts in inbox from Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.